Hi everybody, in this video we are going to discuss about the fungal diseases. Fungal diseases. Diseases which are caused by the fungi. Diseases which are caused by the fungi. The study of fungal diseases in the humans, okay, the study of fungal diseases in the humans is called as medical mycology. Okay, please remember this word. The study of fungal diseases in humans is called as medical mycology. Okay, medical mycology we are calling it as. And there is another word that you have to remember is mycosis. Okay, there is another word called as mycosis. Mycosis means the fungal infections. Okay, fungal diseases. Okay, fungal diseases, or let us say disease which is directly caused by the fungi is called as mycosis. Okay, mycosis. And there is another word called as toxicosis. Okay, toxicosis. Toxicosis means the disease, the fungal disease only, but it is caused by the metabolites of the fungi. Metabolites of the fungi means it is a toxic substance that is released by the fungi, and that toxic substance will be causing the disease. So whenever the toxic substance is causing the disease, we are calling it as toxicosis. Or if it is directly the fungi which is causing the diseases, we are calling it as mycosis. So here the word myco, okay, here the word myco means the fungi, okay, it is the fungi. Myco means the fungi. Eosis or osis, okay, osis or otherwise eosis is nothing but it is called as the condition, okay, it is the condition, okay, it is the condition. Now keeping these words in mind, okay, keeping these words in mind, we are going to discuss about one disease that is caused by the fungi, that is caused by the fungi. Here the disease which we are going to discuss here in this video is about the ringworm. Okay, it is the ringworm, otherwise called as tinea. It is also called as tinea. Here the name of the pathogen is Trichophyton, or these are all the genera. Okay, there are three genera. There are three genera which belongs to the fungi. Okay, which belongs to the fungi, known as what here, the pathogen. Okay, there are three genera of the fungi which causes the ringworm. Okay, which causes the ringworm. The genera called as Trichophyton, Epidermophyton, and Microsporum. These are the three genera that are causing or responsible for causing the disease called as ringworm, otherwise known as what, tinea. Okay, so here I am stressing the word genera. So here we have to remember the word genera. So there are how many genera? Three genera which are causing the ringworm. Okay, which are causing the ringworm, otherwise called as tinea. What are those? Trichophyton, Epidermophyton, and Microsporum. Okay, so here let me say Trichophyton as A, Epidermophyton as B, and Microsporum as C. As C. So here in the figures or in the diagram that are there here can be just labeled as here the A. Okay, this diagram as A. That is the first one called as Trichophyton. Here this is B, and here this is also the diagram B. Okay, these two are coming under as Epidermophyton. Epidermophyton. And the last one C is this Microsporum. Okay, the Microsporum. See, this is how they will be appearing, or they are present. They are present. Now, how this infection is caused to the humans? How this infection is caused to the humans? Mode of infection. This fungi is present in the soil, and through the soil it can infect the human beings, causing which disease? Ringworm, or otherwise called as tinea. Otherwise called as tinea. And otherwise, it may be spreading from one person to another person when an infected person is sharing his clothes or towel with his family members or with any of his friends. When they are sharing their clothes or towels, or even, please remember, the comb. Okay, even the comb also, when they are sharing, there are chances that this fungi can spread from one person to another person, causing the disease called as ringworm, otherwise known as tinea. So here this is how the infection will be spreading from one person to another person, from one person to another person. And effects of three genera. Now let us see, we have said that there are three genera which are causing the ringworm. What are those? Trichophyton, Epidermophyton, and Microsporum. So here, if you are seeing the effects of these three genera, they will be affecting different parts of our body. They will be affecting different parts of our body. If you are seeing the first genera called as Trichophyton, this Trichophyton causes or affects the skin. Okay, on the skin it can cause what? Ringworm. In the scalp, hair, it can cause the ringworm. Even on the nails of our fingers or on the foot, it can cause ringworm. So which is that which is causing or infecting? That is the Trichophyton, which is infecting the skin, hair and nails. Skin, hair and nails. That is another point. That is the main point we have to keep in mind. And another genera that we are calling it as what? Epidermophyton. If you are looking at the epidermophyton, here it is infecting the skin and nails, but not what? But not hair. Okay, but not hair. It is not infecting the hair. Please remember that. But not hair. And if you are looking at the microsporum, okay, if you are looking at the microsporum, it is infecting the hair and skin. It is infecting the hair and skin, but not nails. But not nails. Okay, but not nails. It is not able to infect the nails. So these are the three different types of the genera. Okay, these are the three different types of genera which are responsible for causing what? The ringworm. Okay, responsible for causing the ringworm. So here we have seen three different types of microsporum. Okay, three different types of microsporum. So we will see the best example of Trichophyton. Okay, the best example for Trichophyton. Okay, Trichophyton rubrum. This is the most common, okay, fungi which is causing the disease called as ringworm. Please remember, this is the most common one. Trichophyton rubrum is the most common one which is causing the disease called as ringworm. This is the best example, okay, for the first one. And for another, the second one, epidermophyton. Okay, epidermophyton. The best example for epidermophyton is epidermophyton floxum. Okay, floxum. This is another, okay, the fungi which is belonging to the genera Epidermophyton. It is the one which is causing, okay, ringworm in the skin, nails, but not hair. And in the same way, if you are seeing Microsporum, okay, the best example here is Microsporum canis. Okay, Microsporum canis. Okay, this is the third one. Okay, third one which is causing the disease called as ringworm. It can infect what? Hair and skin, but not nails. So here, after knowing this, okay, after knowing the disease, the pathogen, okay, and the mode of infection and the genera that are causing the disease, we also should know what is the treatment for this. Okay, what is the treatment? So here, the treatment that is given for this disease is the medicines are simple medicines called as griseofulvin. Okay, griseofulvin. This is taken orally. Okay, this is taken orally. Okay, griseofulvin is the medicine that is used to cure ringworm. Okay, griseofulvin, okay, is the medicine that is used to cure ringworm, and it is taken orally. Okay, through the mouth we are taking it. But whereas here miconazole, okay, this is another medicine that is used. Okay, miconazole, which is topically. So here it is a new word for us, topically. Topically means what? Applying on the surface of the body. Okay, so wherever there is infection, there we will apply this particular medicine. So when we are applying that medicine, we are using the word topically. So miconazole is topically and griseofulvin is orally. We will be using it. So here, in conclusion, we will see different types of ringworm. Okay, different types of ringworm, or otherwise known as what? Tinea. Okay, the other word for ringworm is tinea. We are saying. Okay, different types of ringworm or tinea. Okay, so here the first one is called as the tinea pedis. Okay, tinea pedis. It is also known and commonly as what? Athlete's foot. Okay, we also call it as athlete's foot. We are calling it as. And this disease, as it is given here, it is infecting or causing the ringworm on the foot. Okay, it is causing ringworm on the foot. So here it is called as what? Tinea pedis. So we have to remember, if the ringworm is caused on the foot, it is called as the tinea pedis, or otherwise it is called as what? Athlete's foot. Okay, athlete's foot. For this there is a drug that is used. Okay, for this there is a drug that is used called as tolnaftate. Okay, tolnaftate. Okay, this is the drug that is used for curing the athlete's foot. Okay, for curing the athlete's foot. What is the drug? Tolnaftate is the drug which is used to cure the tinea pedis. And another one, okay, tinea capitis. It is infecting the scalp. Okay, it is infecting the scalp. So whenever there is a infection or ringworm on the scalp, we are calling it as what? Tinea capitis. And tinea cruris, okay, tinea cruris is a seed in the perineum, okay, it is seed infecting the region called as perineum in our body and the groin region, okay, and the groin region. In these two regions, we will see this disease called as ringworm is infecting, okay, the individuals. So then we are calling it as what? Tinea cruris we are calling it as. And tinea barbae, the term itself again tells us that it is infecting the face or the beard, okay, the face or the beard part and even the neck part of the face will be infected, okay, beard of the face and the neck part, when it is infected, we are calling this as what? Tinea barbae, okay, tinea barbae. So these are the different types of ringworms that can cause to the human beings. So in this video we have studied the fungal disease, okay, which is caused by three different types of genera, okay, which is caused by three different types of genera, which are very, very important. Those are called as what? Trichophyton, epidermophyton and microsporum. These three genera are responsible for causing the disease called as ringworm, otherwise known as what? Tinea. And we have seen different types of ringworms, okay, different types of ringworms which are infecting the human beings. And we also studied the different types of drugs, okay, which is taken inside orally and which is applied, okay, which is applied on the surface of the body. Thank you so much.